Hi there, how are we all doing today? Here we have the Govee Curtain Light 2. It's a multiple reaction LED system. 520 LEDs it has, but you can link them together and can control them through your Alexa, your Google Home, just a normal app, and it has an AI bot. So you can create different shapes. So if it's in winter, Christmas, have a Christmas theme, Halloween, have a Halloween theme, or gestures. A fantastic bit of kit. I haven't opened it yet. I've actually downloaded the app from the, let's have a look at the back. So I've already downloaded the app from that barcode. If I have to do a login or anything, I'll have to do that and have a pause. So we have lights, like the light string. I think it's 5.6 to 6.3 in dimension, and then but you can add I think 3 more. But looking at that, that's got 4 more. So you can have a big picture on like your garage door or anything. You get an adapter, user manual and control box where it's just like press a button. I think you do most of it through your app anyway. Big thing as well, it's IP65 certified as well, so that's nice to know. It has got a proper certificate. To be fair, they're not that cheap, to be fair. I did get it in a like Amazon sale, but I am not sponsored by these at all. This is an unsponsored video, but I did get a, like anybody can, it was on offer. It is the Christmas period here in the UK. Well, let me pull these. So let's get in and just have a look for starters. Then I'll put it on the house and then we'll have a little play about then. So that's quite nice to have them tabs so you can pull off. It's a nice box as well. Round. Yeah, even the packaging feels quite premium. To my knowledge, there was a Generation 1, and this is I suppose a bit better, Gen 2. So as you can see, there's all sorts you can do. I don't know what that is. So we have the usual user manual. If we get stuck, we'll have a look in there. Journey begins now. Quick guide. And I know the Govee does a lot of products, and you can link them all together as well. Quick start manual. What we'll go through. Looks easy enough. So that looks a little bit tatty, to be fair, but here we go. Like I say, this is the first time I've opened it. This must be the adapter. So we've got a lot of like 3M stickers and different ways to hold it. What I am going to do, I think I'm off to, because it's going outside, so I'm going to drill like some canes on wall and then fasten it to the canes. So this is the plug. Nice plug actually. And then this is the control unit with a nice bit of length of cable on. Hopefully that'll reach inside. So you've got the adapter plug there with a rubber seal. It goes onto end of there, and then we've just got the 3-prong adapter like some other, like for your house ones, has this kind of system. So we'll have a look in here. So, bloody hell. We've got, like I say, there's 500. Move this out of the way. So we've got 500 bulbs, 520 bulbs in here. So that's the ends of them. And the tops. So we've got like this adapter what you can plug in to one side, and then you can continuous to another curtain, so it reacts, so you can put them all in session. There's a bit of weight in there as well. So let's have a quick look. Yeah, so we've got the plug what we can put in from the adapter. And that will do a little quick setup, and I won't spit it out, but I've got power here, so we'll at least get it going for you. And then next shot we'll do on the house. So it's very easy, plug and play. Oops, wrong side. That must be for other side, for curtain. Like I say, I'll have to have a look on the app and see how it works in it. As you can see, there's a little pin just there, and you have to get it in right. Oh, look at that, fantastic. It's like SpongeBob SquarePants. Very nice. So we'll get it out and sort it out, and oh, looks very nice, that does. And then we'll have a mess about with the app. Very nice colours, them. I don't know if it's picking up all right with the camera. So I'll catch you later. Hi there. I've roughly put it up. As you can see, it's working amazing. Absolutely fantastic. And on the app there is loads of different kinds. I've got Halloween here, so I'll change that. Halloween, different ones. And all just absolutely loads of different kinds of
Halloween, funny
ones. Christmas,
accessibility,
Santa Claus. I like this one best though, with Santa Claus walking. But the app is fantastic. There's AI as well, where you can change stuff. There's timer to put it on. There's all different short sorts of things what you can do. Like I say, it was just a quick look at what I can do. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.